In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Steam games are crashing or freezing. Now the first thing I suggest you do is you find a game that you're having trouble with, right-clicking on it, properties, installed files, and try and verify integrity of game files. See if that fixes the issue, otherwise you can go to browse, find the launcher of the game, usually it's just an exe file, go to properties, compatibility, and try and activate these two. If that still doesn't work, you can try and run this in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and see if that one works. Remember to click apply and OK if you want it to be saved. If none of these work, another thing you can try and do is right click on your desktop, display settings, scroll down and find graphic settings. In here, enable hardware accelerated GPU, and then also we want to add the game from in here. The easiest way to do this is you come up here, find the game. So let's say you want to add Marvel Rivals, properties, browse. In the folder here, click up here, Control C, come back here, browse, click up here, Control V, and press enter. Then you just want to add the launcher, and it should be in here. Then you want to select it and put it on high performance. Now see if this helps fix the issue. Otherwise, what you should do is go back into your display settings, make sure you're running on the recommended display as well as the scale, and make sure your game settings is on the same resolution as your screen. Then as a last resort, I think you should go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right click and update your GPU, and then you also want to download the software for your GPU. So just Google the name of your GPU and type in software or driver, and in my case it's going to be the NVIDIA one. You might have an AMD or Intel one, but you want to get the software for it, and then you want to take the latest download from in here as well. After doing all of this, try and restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.